Alright, so got our plain chicken breast, boring, nothing to it. Got some rub that we picked up from a local butcher. So we're just gonna slather a little bit of that on there. Get both sides. Alright. Now we're ready for the grill. Okay, next is cooking. I prefer to use a grill. I just think chicken tastes better that way. But of course, if you prefer an oven, or if you don't have access to a grill, oven, stovetop, or oven will do perfectly fine. So grill, cook until done, and then we move on to the next step. We have our fully cooked chicken. The next step is to take that and put it into the KitchenAid mixer. We're going to shred it up, and it just is a much more enjoyable way to eat boring meal prep chicken. And it's important to do this right after you take it off the grill or oven, because it needs to be hot enough to shred easily. So I also cut our chicken breast in half so it's easier to fit in the KitchenAid mixer. So I'm going to take those, put them in here. We're just using a standard mixing attachment. So lock it in place. And it's important to start slow. Don't just slam it on full speed, or it will fly everywhere. So I like to keep my hand over it because it does make a bit of a mess. Shredded chicken.